Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is the job postings from today as on the date 1st November 2020. The candidates, those who want to apply for the right positions, please do watch my full video. The first vacancy is for the position of customer service representative from a leading freight forwarding company based in Jebel Ali Free Zone, Dubai. Male or female candidate with an experience of 1 to 2 years in import and export shipping procedures can apply for this position. The salary package is from 85,000 per month. The right candidates can forward their resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of auto mechanic in Dubai. Male candidate with a minimum experience of 3 years can apply for this position, preferably Indian or Filipino nationality. Should know how to use tire balancing and wheel alignment of machine, and should know how to change brake pads and disc, should have knowledge in doing basic electrical car issues, and should know how to change oil and air conditioning repairs. The salary package is from 85,000 plus food allowance plus accommodation provided by the company. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. The next vacancy is for the position of warehouse helper from Gate Group in Dubai. Male candidate with an previous work experience as a warehouse worker can apply for this role. The candidate must be proficient in inventory, equipment maintenance work, data entry and computer skills, must be familiar with modern warehousing practices and methods and be able to lift heavy objects. The salary package is from 82,000 plus other benefits. Interested candidates can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below provided mobile number. Next vacancy is for the position of receptionist cum cashier from Acacia Medical Center in Abu Dhabi. Female candidate with an experience of 2 years in customer service and as an receptionist can apply for this vacancy. The salary package is from 85,000 plus other benefits. Interested candidates can forward your resume to the below provided company email ID or can directly apply from the company website. Next vacancy is for the position of a general cleaner from Jumeirah Village Circle in Dubai. Male candidate with an experience in housekeeping and as a cleaner can apply for this vacancy. Expected start date is 10th November 2020. The salary package is from 80,500 plus other benefits. You can forward your resume directly from the company website or to the below email ID. Next is an immediate hiring from Abu Dhabi for the following positions of cleaner, housekeeper, steward, office boy and messenger staff. Both the male and female candidate can apply for this position. Experience is not required. The candidate must be present in Abu Dhabi. The nationalities from India, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Philippines can apply for this position. The salary package is not mentioned. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next is an urgent requirement for the following position of HR coordinator in Dubai. You can share your resume along with your years of professional experience in payroll administration, your current remuneration, expected salary and the date of joining. The salary package is as per the industry standards. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID. Next vacancy is for the position of general helper from Nabil Perfume in Dubai. Salary package is from 82,000 plus other benefits. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can contact in the below provided mobile numbers. Last vacancy is for the position of office assistant cum clerk from Magnum Group in Dubai. Male candidate with an experience of 1 year as an office assistant or in a related field can apply for this position. Must have completed high school diploma. The salary package is from 82,000 plus other benefits. Asian nationalities can apply for this position. You can forward your resume to the below provided email ID or can call or WhatsApp in the below provided mobile number. Hi friends, if you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel for more daily UAE jobs and for the job related queries, and also press the bell icon for receiving daily UAE job notifications immediately onto your phone. If you have any doubt regarding any of these job postings, please do let me know in my comment box below. Good luck on your job search and may God bless you all.